Today's session in Ganithavadhanam is how to fill 3 by 3 magic square with any magical constant given by spectators. We can also call them Pruchakalu in Avadhanam. Ganithavadhanam, there is no equivalent meaning in English, but we can call it as math attention. Avadhanam meaning attention. Before filling 3 by 3 magic square by in the method of Avadhanam, we should know first about 3 by 3 magic square. There are 3 columns, there are 3 rows. All vertical lines are called columns and horizontal lines are called rows. And this box is the intersection of row 1 and column 1, so that is why it is called as 1 by 1 box. And this is second row, second column, so that is why it is 2 by 2 matrix. In the same way, it is 1 by 3 box. It is 3 by 2 box. This is 3 by 1, third row, first column. In the same way, it is 3 by 3 box. Magic constant K, denoted by K, is the sum of the digits of any row of 3 rows or any column of 3 columns or any diagonal of available 2 diagonals. See, this yellow line indicates sum of 3 boxes available in first row gives the result K, that is called a magic constant. Similarly, second row, third row and boxes available in first column, second column, third column and even the boxes available in these two diagonals also gives the same result. That result itself is called magic constant. There is a universal formula to find magic constant. This is that formula: n into n square plus 1 by 2. Instead of n, we people can use either 3 or 4 or 5 accordingly. 3 by 3 magic square, 4 by 4 magic square, 5 by 5 magic square respectively. A magic constant should be the multiple of 3 and more than 15 because the universal magic constant is 15. And universal magic squares, the method of universal magic squares, I already dealt them already. You can find them in my previous videos. And now spectators. If spectators are Pruchakas, choose 45 is their magic constant. We can find 45 is the multiple of 3 and it is more than 45. As any of the spectators can choose 45 is its magic constant. If it is magic constant, Avadani has to fill these 3 boxes accordingly to get magic constant of 45. But the Pruchakas will ask fill respective boxes what they said. For example, if any one of the Pruchakas among them the spectators, if they asked to fill box number 1 by 1, the Avadani has to fill this box. For example, other person asked to fill this box is called 3 by 2 box. For example, 2 by 3 box, this is accordingly Avadani has to fill. For example, if any one spectator asked to fill Avadhani box number 1 by 1, we can fill it as 18. And the same time, for example, another guy asked to fill 3 by 2, this is the number 19. Accordingly, and this is 1 by 2 box. If another person can ask, fill 1 by 2 box. Maybe another person asked you to fill another box, that is 3 by 1 matrix, 3 by 1 box. In the same way, another box, this box itself is called 2 by 2 box. The people will keep on asking Avadhani to fill respective box what they said. Accordingly, Avadhani has to fill this way. Similarly, Avadhani can complete the box in this way. So we can find the magic constant. 18 plus 11 plus 16 gives 45. Similarly, sum of these three numbers also gives 45, and sum of these three numbers also gives 45. In the same way, columns, all the three columns as well as all the two available diagonals, that is 18, 15, 12 and 14, 15, 16 altogether gives any of the three boxes of rows, columns and diagonals gives the same number called 45. And what is the secret behind it? What is the secret behind it? There is a secret. That is, we have to find x first. We have to fill x value here, and here x minus 4 we have to substitute x plus 4, and here x plus 1, x minus 1, and this is, you can find it. You can check the all boxes. But what is x? How can we find x? Okay, if spectators choose 45 is their magic constant, solve 45 by 3, that is equal to 15. So consider 15 as x. So here we have to fill in place of x, that is 15, and there x minus 4 is 11, then x plus 4 19. Accordingly, whichever the people, accordingly we can fill according to the questions arise from the audience or spectators or prachakas. See, for example, if one person asked you to fill box number 1 by 3, that is 16, that is x plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16. In the same way, if spectators choose 63 is their magic constant, similarly, divide 63 with 3, we can get 21. So 21 will be the x, right? 21 here. And here we know, here x minus 4, that is 21, 21 minus 4. The answer, this box can be filled with 17. And for example, if any other person asked to fill this box, that is 2 by 1, here the formula is, as we know, this is x minus 2, that is 21 minus 2, that will be 19. So this is the method we can fill all the boxes. Thank you, thanks for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.